Welcome to unit number 4 or lesson 4, and today we are going to install two more things and then we'll start setting up OBS. So if you have OBS open right now, before we get started, I want you to close it. If you had not opened it, you are good to go. But if you have it open, I want you to click exit, and then once we install these two items, one will be a plugin and the second one will be a driver. Once we install those, then we'll fire up OBS. Then that way, whatever we install, when we activate OBS Studio or when we open OBS Studio, then it will include the plugin and the driver. To download the plugin and the driver, you just go to the browser or whatever browser you have. And let's start with the driver. So here for the driver, you go type this website here, https:// and then ASIO for all.org. That's what you want. And then click enter. And now you get to this. So you should be able to see this if you got it right. So if you open it, you should see this window here, ASIO for all. I want you to scroll down until version 2.16 release. And this might have changed by the time you take this course, but you need to get to this. You scroll down until you get to here where it says welcome to ASIO for all. In my case, it says 2.16 setup right here. And then click this area is clickable. See, when I highlight it, underlines it. So the version 1, in my case 1.16 released, I will click on that and then I let it load. Only thing you notice, this page has a lot of ads, so make sure you're not clicking on all these ads here, which are not what we want. There's a lot of like ads, so make sure you're not clicking just on random stuff. So let's see here. So you click on that link and this window opens, and now you come down here, you can see ASIO for all 2.16 download. So we click on this area here. Once it loads, again, it comes to the top, but you need to scroll down here until you see this small folder here. So you click on this folder. Again, ignore the ads. So click on this folder, and as you can see here is downloading that folder. And it has now finished downloading. So you can either click on this to open it, or to show where it is, or this one to open it. But I'll just go to the browser, file browser, and then go to your downloads. I believe that's where it should have gone. And you can see it here. So let's double click it. In here, you ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes? And we will say yes. Now we go to the process of installing. We have double clicked. The window pops up saying, do you want to go ahead? We say yes. Now we go next here. And you need to accept the terms and conditions here, or the terms of license agreement. And now we go next. And here, just don't click anything, just to go ahead next. And install. Then yeah, it's finished. So you just click finish. So the driver, we have downloaded the driver. So now the next thing we need to do is go download the plugin.